Hey there, it's Hannah with WTI, and this tablet stand from elitehood is absolutely going to change the way that you relax with your tablet.
From its 24-inch extendable reach arm to the 14-pound heavy duty base, this is the perfect thing to help you watch movies, play games, read books, all with the confidence to know that your tablet is not going anywhere. The universal device clamp makes it so that you can use a variety of devices, and it even works with cases, which I've used with my Kindle. So I absolutely love that. This is the ultimate binging device, whether it is movies or books. It is just so good. So, whether you're in bed, on the couch, or at your desk, you can have your tablet at the perfect height.
If you're looking for something that is going to reliably hold your tablet, be super stable, and easy to use, you're going to want to get this tablet stand. I think it is absolutely perfect, and that's my point of view.